So after maybe you've added all the subscriptions you could find by looking for the ones you know you want to look for or just searching, one cool feature right next to it is the Discover option. And you could quickly just subscribe to bundles in different categories, like these three right here. There's a news bundle, and here are the blogs I could quickly subscribe to, or the fun bundle, and the ones I could subscribe to real quickly. And then there's the option for more bundles. You can see all these. So these are pretty cool, and you can just go ahead and subscribe to them, and then see if you like them. Let me subscribe to the fun. And if you like them, you can see it added it as a folder with all of them in it. But if I want to remove one, I already showed you how to do that, so you can go ahead and do that. I've also got the recommendations right here, but they use recommendations into the feeds you've already subscribed to, as well as information from your web history profile, including your location. So after you start using it for a while, you'll probably get recommendations. I just started this account, so I don't have any. But I'm back on this feed bundle page, and I'm going to return to the feed discovery. And some other things you can do, if you have the username of a friend or family member that writes a blog, and the blogs they support are Blogger, Delicious, Flickr, LiveJournal, MySpace, Windows Live Spaces, WordPress, and Xanga. I guess these aren't all just blogs. It could be like a Flickr journal or your Delicious links. So if you have a username for that, you can subscribe to that. And it also just gives you a search and browse by keywords, which is pretty similar to searching keywords right here. But the cool thing about Discover is these bundles right here. So check these out, and they have a lot of good stuff in here. And it's probably blogs and websites maybe you haven't heard of, and you can just discover some great new ones this way. And if you end up not liking them, just go ahead and trash them. And you would do that by managing subscriptions and then trashing them right here. But that's how you use the Discover feature in Google Reader.